we talking about anymore?
You're in my hands.
Yay! Will it pull my natural lash? There's classical, hybrid, and full. So you have to put the lash onto my lash. You also told me mascara is not as good for you, so why do you prefer lashes over mascara? Oh, sorry, I have a jolly camera. I didn't finish. I put it to the side. Penguins, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. This is my cousin, Alysa. Make sure you guys give her a warm welcome. This is my first video back in Canada, so I'm super excited, super stoked to be here because today we are getting our lashes done.
Yeah! I'm so excited for you. First timer, you're a lash virgin.
I am a lash virgin. She said you're gonna be hooked after this. I have only done fake lashes once, like the glue ones, but that was not by choice. I was forced to do fake lashes for a show that I did. If you don't follow her yet, follow her at
lash.creative.
At lash.creative. I just saw a lot of her artwork and a lot of the lash stuff that she does, and I said, okay, when I come home, I really want to do a YouTube video because I bet you there's a lot of you out there who have not gotten their lashes done. You are like me, lash virgins. Peace and love.
Let's do this.
Before I got here, Alysa sent me a nice, beautiful email, and she said that I wasn't allowed to drink coffee or tea, which is fine because I don't drink coffee anyways. Yeah, no caffeine. Why?
Well, because your eyes are going to be jittery, and then I won't be able to apply the lash extensions on properly. So those jittery eyes, no bueno, no bueno.
And then she also told me, oh, no mascara.
No mascara.
So I have not put on mascara for the past 2 days, so my lashes are squeaky clean.
No concealer, like no eye makeup.
I got nothing on. You were seeing.
It's still beautiful though.
Me, bare in the flesh. What is lash extensions, first of all?
Oh, great question. Lash extensions are a synthetic lash material. So basically it's like if you picture an eyelash, but it's a synthetic polyester fiber. And basically what I'm doing is I'm attaching the extension or gluing it onto your natural lash. So not on your skin, but on your natural lash.
I don't know if you noticed. I'm actually really proud of my lashes for an Asian person. I'm like really, really close right now.
Ever since she was born, like we were all like, how are your natural lashes that long? Like ever since you were a baby.
I think that's why I'm scared to do lash extension. They're not gonna pull my lashes, right? That's what I'm most worried about.
So I mean, like a lot of people are concerned about lash damage, but if you go to a technician who's properly trained, we won't put the weight onto the lash where it's not too heavy.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So you have to put the lash onto my lash.
Exactly.
So it's not in between.
No.
Interesting. No. I didn't know.
You thought it was in between?
Yeah, I did.
Okay. So basically, like your natural lashes are always growing and they're on their own lash growth cycle. So when they are falling out, because your lashes are falling out just like your hair, right? It falls out. I'm just putting the extension on your hair, and that way it sheds with your natural lash. So it's not causing damage because it's not, I can't even remember that word again, but it's not
okay, we all have those days.
Overbearing? I don't know. Anyways,
Mom, do you know?
Help me out.
Silence.
She's not here.
You also told me mascara is not as good for you, so why do you prefer lashes over mascara?
Okay, so with mascara, when you're applying mascara, the thing is when you're removing it, it's like super hard to remove. You're doing what? Waterproof mascara. You're literally rubbing your lashes, right, to get it off.
Yeah, waterproof mascara is, it's so hard to get off. It's a mess.
Okay.
It's awful.
So mascara causes damage because you're pulling out your lashes.
Oh, I see.
And if you think about it, mascara is also weighing down your lash too. So, I mean, it's still putting something on your lashes, right?
That's true. Alysa is going to be doing a hybrid. There's classical, hybrid, and full.
Kind of. Classic, hybrid, and volume. Almost.
I thought I actually researched this before I came because I wanted to understand what was happening. I think I'm going to do a hybrid because I wanted a little more fullness. So when I'm on camera, you can see it.
It pops.
Yeah.
There's three kind of styles that you could choose. The classic, which is applying one extension to one natural lash. And then you can do volume, which is applying multiple like finer extensions to the natural lash. And then in between is the hybrid. So you're kind of getting like half and half. So
interesting.
Some are volume, so like multiple extensions, and some will be just like the single lash extension. So you're gonna have a mix, and honestly, hybrid is good for strip lash looks.
I'm curious, this will be fun. I'm excited.
This is
trust my cousin.
When I see her photos, like her lashes look like hybrid lashes. Like I think she's wearing strip lashes.
So this is great. I'm just gonna trust her because I don't know what I'm talking about anymore.
You're in my hands.
Yay! If you guys really like this video, press the like button, comment below what you think about my lashes at the end of this video. Also make sure to subscribe to my channel and don't forget to follow her lash.creative at lash.creative. If you are in Toronto or in the area, maybe you can book yourself some beautiful lash extensions. All right,
perfect.
I'm ready to take a 2-hour and 45-minute lash nap. Like blending in with the chair. So I have to take my contacts out because the first step is Alysa's gonna wash my lashes. So I brought extra contacts because your girl Peng Lee here is blind. So we need extra contacts for today.
Oh, you still have to come up a little bit.
Oh, I do?
Yeah.
I'm so short.
Yeah, we're short. Okay. The first step is I'm going to clean your lashes with this lash shampoo. Oh. So you're going to close your eyes and basically...
Oh my gosh, it's so cold.
This?
Mm-hmm.
So I'm just cleaning your lashes, getting rid of any of the oil residue or any creams or anything like that.
Is it really dirty?
No.
I can't even see what I look like.
You literally can't see?
No, I don't. My contacts. I'm so blind.
Oh.
I can't see myself. I can't. I'm excited.
Okay, hold on. Ready?
Okay.
Okay, the big reveal.
Oh wow! This looks great. Oh wow! I love it.
Love it.
This is great. Thanks, Lisa.
You're welcome, cuz.
Wow! What do you think? This is so cool. Lady. I look like I'm so tired right now. My eyes have been closed for 3 hours. Wow! I got my lashes done. Oh my gosh! Look how long they are. Can you see them? Can you see them? Wow! Thanks, Lisa, for doing my lashes.
You're so welcome, cuz. Your dream to work on.
Thanks.
You had the best lashes, so
that was
so easy.
A very long process. My butt was getting sore, so I had to like move around. And I can't tell if I was dreaming or awake, so it was 2 hours and 45 minutes. And this is a hybrid set with a
CC curl, 8 to 13 millimeter cat eye look.
Yeah, so if you are interested in that look, I recommend. Because normally volume lashes are 3 hours, right?
Yep, 3 to 4.
Yeah, I don't know if I could do it, to be honest. I don't know if I can do it.
Can't, honestly. The young ones can't, they can't lie.
They can't sit? It's really,
I gotta pee,
yeah, that would be me. If you guys want to get lashes done, if you're in the Toronto area, make sure to also again check out @lash.creative. If you're a lash virgin like myself, she was very comforting, but she's also my cousin.
How do they feel too?
Oh, they feel really natural. They feel like mascara. Also, I feel like I'm not really wearing anything. Yeah. So it's kind of weird to get used to because I'm looking in the mirror like, wow, I have lashes now. But okay, so now since I got my lashes done, there is a whole aftercare process. So, we're gonna walk you through it. Actually, she's gonna walk you through it because I don't know much. Boop.
Oh. Okay, so these are the lip applicators. And basically, you want to avoid anything cotton, such as cotton swabs, Q-tips, because that stuff will snag your lashes. So use these lip applicators to remove makeup and eyeliner and eyeshadow.
I can't wear anything oil-based around my eyes.
That too. So avoid oil like the plague. I mean, if you're sweaty, wash your lashes. If you have oil in your face products, change your face products.
Just be really gentle around my lashes.
Yes.
It's gonna be a whole process taking my makeup off. And then we have this. I like these, they're so cute. So this is a spoolie. A lash brush.
Mascara one.
I've seen my friends do this and they just brush their eyelashes 24/7. So how often do I have to brush my eyelashes?
Daily.
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 Because they'll get
tangled and they'll like yeah, you'll see. When they grow out they kinda look a little like crazy, so you gotta keep them
got it.
Straight.
Okay, cool. Interesting. Our next gift. What is this?
This is your lash shampoo, your best friend. It's gonna keep your lashes clean.
This is my best friend?
This is your best friend.
Oh, hi.
Because you know what? Okay, the thing is, some girls, they don't clean their lashes and all that stuff and gunk and residue and bacteria is gonna clog up your lash line and you're gonna get like infection and like...
Okay, so we're gonna wash our lashes and we wash it with this guy.
Wash your hands, okay, and then pump some on your clean hand, and then basically, because it's a foam, you want to dip your brush, and then you want to like brush down your lashes and concentrate the lash line at the top and bottom, and yeah, like just like swipe kind of out.
Okay, cool. Okay, cool. There is a whole after process for my lashes. If you can sit still, then also you can get breaks. I think I was just trying to zone out. I was trying to work on my meditation. But anyways, guys, if you like this video, press the like button, comment below how you think my lashes look. Also, if you're a lash virgin and you're nervous about it, maybe at Lash Creative, hashtag Alysa.
I'll answer your questions.
We'll answer your questions. Penguins, we'll see you next time.